Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing another cash envelope stuffing, and I just want to check in with you guys really quick. I'll insert a timestamp of where the video starts just in case you want to skip over this part. But I feel like I needed a break. I was just really burnt out at work and just wasn't taking care of myself. Like I was feeling so stressed out that like my body was physically hurting every day. So I feel a lot better now. And yeah, I had my birthday last week and it was amazing. I just got to spend a lot of time with my family and my boyfriend, so it was just really nice. Nothing extravagant, but it just felt really good to spend that quality time with the people that I love. So I feel like that was just a really nice reset for me, and I'm glad to be back into budgeting. And I honestly can't wait to catch up on all of your guys' videos because it's been a hot minute since I've watched any budgeting videos. But I'm gonna go ahead and hop right into the stuffing now. So I have been doing pretty well with my budget. I think I've been definitely understuffing household. So I think I had a month where I like ran out of everything, like cotton balls, Q-tips, toothpaste, all that stuff, and I just needed everything. So that envelope was depleted. I do have my breakdown off to the side as usual. In total, I'm gonna be stuffing $645. And yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and hop right in. So I'm gonna move my sinking funds binders off to the side so I can get started with my cash envelopes here. So we're gonna go ahead and start out with groceries. And I do have some money left over in groceries because my mom was so kind to give me like enough leftovers and things that she had cooked. So I really didn't have to grocery shop or cook during the week of my birthday. So seriously, that was just the best thing ever. If you cook every day and you know like the struggle of having to do dishes and just Tupperware everything and pack lunch, oh, she was just so kind to pack lunch for me, and it was just the best thing ever. So we're putting 120 into here, which is our usual amount, and I'm gonna just roll this over. So this is 35, and we have 20, 40, 60, 81, and 20 going in. So in total in groceries, we now have 20, 40, 60, 81, 120, 140, 150, 155. All right, so that's groceries all done. Next is dining out. And luckily, I do still have some dining out money. So I have 20, 30, 35, 36, 37. I've been pretty good about eating at home for the last 2 weeks. So let's hope that I can keep that up for the next 2 weeks. $80 seems to be working out. It worked out this time because I didn't use all of it, but I'm gonna go ahead and roll it over and add 80. So that's gonna be 2 20s, 2 10s, 2 5s, and that should be all the ones. So let's make sure this is 80, 20, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 71, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and that's 80. So let's add this to the cash that I have left over. All right, so dining out now has 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 100, 105, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So I have 117 in dining out, and my boyfriend just got a raise at work and is kind of like stepping into a new role. So I rolled this money over because I want to be able to take him out to celebrate because he just made my birthday so special this year. And I really appreciate that because I really had no plans this year. So I want to take him out somewhere nice. So I'll be using my money for that. Next is spending, and spending is going to get 50. I've got $15 left over. I treated myself to a Lush bath bomb, and oh my gosh, you guys, it was amazing. I don't take baths very often, but oh my gosh, it was so nice and so relaxing to be able to take a bath. Okay, so this should be 50. So 20, 30, 40, 45, and 50. All right, so spending now has 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65. And I'm just gonna leave all of this in my cash envelope. I know for, I think the last few videos I had been moving any leftovers in this envelope to the sinking funds envelope that I had for spending, but I'm gonna just leave it in here. Next we have car, and this is for car washes. This is gonna get a 10, and I still haven't taken my car, so that's why it still has a 10. I'm gonna look for a raggedy 10. I actually don't have one this time. So we have 25 in car wash now. All right, and last we've got household. Like I said, household got depleted. I'm adding 25 this time because I'm trying to just really build this back up. I think I just really underestimated what I was gonna need. I feel like it's like the worst thing when you run out of like all your toiletries, all your face products, and you just have to restock the whole bathroom. Oh my God, it was a nightmare. But anyways, that is my cash envelopes all stuffed. And I got a few questions, like the last few videos. I've been terrible about responding to comments, but I made these cash envelopes myself. So yeah, they're already kind of busting at the seams. So we'll see. I wanted to come up with Halloween themed envelopes, but I feel like it's like too late for me to do that. So maybe next year. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and move on to my sinking funds. I'm gonna go ahead and start off with my clear binder here. And we're gonna start out with Wishlist. And Wishlist today is gonna be getting $30. I think I am going to be getting the Cricut. And I think I'm gonna bite the bullet on some Rothy's because my boyfriend offered to help me pay towards my Cricut. So I'm really excited to treat myself because I feel like the birthday festivities are just continuing. So now on Wishlist we have 1, 2, 3, 350, 400, 420, 440, 460, 480, 490. So 490 in Wishlist. 1, 2, 3, 350, 420, 440, 460, 480, 490. Yep. 490. All right, next we've got Adventures, and Adventures is getting $20 this time. We're actually going to a Japanese garden tomorrow, but the tickets are free. So I'm thinking maybe I'll use some of this money to pick up a treat or something. We'll see. So we've got 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150, 160, 165, 170, 170, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 175 in Adventures. Oh, I forgot to update you guys. I did get to go to the pumpkin patch. It was so much fun. My boyfriend picked like the biggest pumpkin on the lot. So it's hanging out in our backyard, ready to be carved. But seriously, it's like almost as big as my like car tires. It's huge. All right, next we've got travel. And travel's been on the back burner because I don't have any trips planned right now. And I'm honestly a little paranoid to like go anywhere. So I'm only gonna give it $10 just in case something comes up. So now we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 420, 440, 450, 455, 460. So 460 in travel. All right, Christmas, you guys. I think it's too late to upload my last video, so I'm just gonna kind of quickly go over this envelope. I did hit my goal in this envelope. I'm over $1,000, but I'm just gonna continue to stuff it with most likely like $50 each check, just because, just in case. This is my first year saving for Christmas, so I just want to be prepared in case anything, you know, comes up. So Christmas is getting 50. And we now have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 850, 900, 950, 1,000, 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, and 5. So $1,105. I was thinking about like getting a 1K split for this, but I'm already starting to Christmas shop. So I feel like I'm gonna be pulling from this and depositing it into the bank to pay off my credit card. So I don't think I'm gonna be doing that. But let me know how you guys are doing with your Christmas savings. I cannot wait to watch all your guys' videos and just catch up with you all and see how everyone's doing. I'm just so excited for the holiday season. I'm hoping that the fall weather, you know, kicks up a little bit. I'm ready for the cold. I'm ready for, you know, all the sweaters and boots. I think that is it. Yes, that's going to be it for this binder. Next, I'm going to go ahead and move on to my rose gold binder. All right, so first up, we've got clothing, and clothing is going to be getting $20 today. So clothing now has 50, 70, 80, 90, 95, 96, 97. All right, next we've got holidays, and holidays is getting $50. And holidays now has 100, 150, 200, 250, 270, 290, 295. So $2.95 in holidays. Next, we've got home, and home is only getting $10. I feel like I'm more so focusing on like my Christmas and holidays and gifts envelopes right now. So we now have 100, 110, 115, 120 in home. All right, up next is beauty, and beauty is going to be getting 75 today. That's way more than what I usually give beauty, and that's just because I finally got an appointment for a haircut. My hair is like almost all the way down to like my waist, so I definitely need a haircut. It is so heavy. So beauty now has 100, 150, 170, 180, 190, 195, 96, 97, 98, 99. Oh my gosh. That is not 150, 170, 180, 190, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. That's gonna bother me, you guys. I'm gonna have to find $1 somewhere. All right, I'll leave it alone for now. Next, we've got gifts, and gifts is getting 95. And that should be the rest of this cash. The reason why gifts is getting so much this time around is because I have my boyfriend's birthday next month and my sister's birthday in December. So I definitely need to start bulking this envelope up. So gifts now has 100, 150, 200, 250, 270, 290, 310, 330, 335, 340, 345, 46, 47, 48, 49. And that's it. Nothing else back here is getting stuffed. All right, guys, so that was it for my cash stuffing video today. This was the first paycheck of October for me. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments down below if you're doing anything fun this weekend. I'm just going to the Japanese garden and then trying out a new breakfast place with my friend on Sunday, so I'm really excited for that. But thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.